I'm Alex Roberts, and this is the Connected Manufacturing Accelerator demo by Magnet360. Service is changing in the manufacturing industry, and it's being powered by technology and the Internet of Things in particular. Most executives believe that within 20 years, service revenue will even eclipse product revenue. Using Salesforce technology, Magnet360 has built a powerful solution to address this changing business environment for manufacturers. For this demo, I'll be talking about a fictional company called Universal Manufacturing and their customer Fresh & Co. Universal makes connected garage doors that are installed and used in Fresh & Co.'s distribution centers and warehouses. Garrett works for Fresh & Co., and he oversees their operations and a distribution center that recently installed 50 new connected cloud doors. Universal Manufacturing made it easy and engaging for Garrett to manage his distribution center by providing access to their Cloud Door Salesforce community. From this feature-rich community, Garrett can register new garage doors and view his existing garage doors. He can submit cases about his garage door issues and track existing cases. He can search for relevant articles from Cloud Door's knowledge base. And he can also view a dashboard that quickly communicates how his doors are operating. All of this information for Garrett is updated in near real time by Salesforce IoT Explorer. And this helps to proactively engage Garrett in the Salesforce community. Garrett's profile includes a preferred service window from Field Service Lightning, which indicates a convenient time for on-site service. Universal Manufacturing is able to engage Garrett through this community and also via email. In Garrett's inbox, we can see important email notifications that were triggered by IoT event data and then sent to Garrett via Marketing Cloud. These emails are personalized and beautified with custom Marketing Cloud email templates. Each email is a chance to bring Garrett into the Cloud Door service program or upsell him to a higher service tier. When product registration emails like this are sent, a Fresh & Co. opportunity is automatically created so that Universal Manufacturing's sales team can then reach out and close the deal. Alert emails let Garrett know that there is an issue with his garage doors, and the timeliness of the service he receives is driven by his service tier. If Garrett's in the bronze tier, he'll face longer SLAs. The gold tier would prioritize Garrett's issues, allowing a technician to visit him in the same day. IoT event data allows Universal Manufacturing to create faster SLAs and open up new subscription-based, service-driven revenue channels. If we jump back to the community, Garrett's notification feed indicates there's an alert being serviced by the service manager, who is dispatching a field technician to the distribution center. If we take a look at things from the service manager's perspective in the Universal Manufacturing Salesforce org, we can see that Ruth, who is a service manager with Universal, is in charge of making sure that gold tier customers like Garrett are properly serviced. Ruth is able to view the case where the alert was created from IoT Explorer, and we can see her conversation here that she's having with Garrett through the community. Every case relates to an asset, and we can see the asset that's tied to Garrett's contact record and the Fresh & Co. account. The setup of our connected garage door mirrors that of a real-life product. We can see data being created by IoT events just like it would for real products, including warning and alert counts, the wattage of the last event, and the current state of the door, which indicates whether it's open or closed. As we open and close the door, we can see the state and drive direction changing. And we can also see the orchestration transition in IoT Explorer. If we increase the wattage on our garage door and continue to open and close the door, we can see the transition to the warning state and eventually to the alert state. Each time an alert is created, a case is raised, which the service manager can then work on addressing. This orchestration was created with IoT Explorer and can drive key business processes across different Salesforce clouds. In this instance, we're using a simple open and close garage door event to send emails, create cases and work orders, and create opportunities. When we view the case created from the asset alert, we can also see that a work order was automatically created. This was done using Field Service Lightning. The book appointment quick action on the work order lets a service manager easily schedule a field technician to address Garrett's garage door issue. If we transition to our field technician's view of the mobile app, we can see their newly assigned service appointment being pushed to them with a notification. We can see the service appointment populated with relevant data. The technician can get directions to the customer via Google Maps, and once they fix the customer's issue, they can collect the signature and file a service report that's sent back to the headquarters, letting their manager know that the repair has been certified and completed. So to recap, we saw how Salesforce IoT can enable engagement in a community and via email, leading to better customer experience. We saw how event data from connected garage doors helped generate contextual sales opportunities and net new service revenue. We saw how Salesforce IoT can help automate proactive service, leading to faster technician response times and happier customers. With the Connected Manufacturing Accelerator, we can enable any type of business process where there's an intersection of customer data with IoT event data. If you can think of any if this then that business process, which begins with a connected device and ends with a Salesforce action, then we can build it. So we have some great features on our roadmap, including real-time product monitoring, booking service appointments from the customer community, real-time communication with service managers via live message, customer satisfaction surveys delivered by the technician via a mobile app, a community that allows cloud door resellers to service their customers and sell more intelligently with smart product data. Magnet360 is a leader in the Salesforce IoT space. We recently won a 2017 Partner Innovation Award for our IoT work with Ecolab. We are self-certifying, have 20-plus belts, and have produced many thought leadership assets to highlight our IoT capabilities. You can reach out to Eric Scheel, Shad Alman, or Alex Roberts, that's me, for a more detailed demo or additional information. Thank you so much.